When I start car engine battery light come on dashboard because the battery light is on. AC does not cool while driving and the engine did not stop while driving. How to fix battery light on dashboard? Watch the video step by step. I will start the car engine then check what problem. Battery light come on dashboard. Check the alternator charging voltage first without turning off the engine. Use battery tester to check alternator charge voltage. Not charging 11.45 voltage not enough. Turn off engine then check battery volt. This battery is bad, call replace, not charge, volt is 0.00. I would replace the battery first. I will check the new battery. 12.44 voltage is okay. Replace the battery after, then again start this car engine. Now battery light is turned off in dashboard. Charging voltage is normal 14.51 volts. Honda City battery is damaged, so these problems occur. Your car may have this kind of problem, so first check and make proper repairs. If the charging problem occurs after the car battery is good, get it checked and repaired properly. Battery light is off, and battery charging is fine, no problem.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.